Welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to learn about the effects of Saturn Dasha, Mercury Antardasha. We will also learn about the remedy for Saturn Dasha, Mercury Antardasha as instructed by sage Parashara Maharishi. To explain all this, I will be quoting from the book Pulipani Jodhidam, which was written by sage Pulipani, and also from Brihat Parashara Hora Shastra, which was written by sage Parashara Maharishi. So, please watch the full video. If you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel by pressing the subscribe button and also the bell button below. If you don't know the basics of Vedic astrology, and if you want to learn the basics first, please go to the link below and watch the two-part video. Learn Vedic astrology in one day and also the Vimshottari Dasha videos. You can also visit the link above. Usually, the planetary period for Saturn extends for 19 years. This applies for everyone. During those 19 years, planet Saturn plays a very big role in shaping that person's life. However, while planet Saturn plays a very big role during the planetary period of Saturn Dasha, the other planets also play a minor role, especially during their own subperiods, and those subperiods are called Antardashas. During the Saturn Dasha, the first Antardasha belongs to Saturn itself, and it extends for 3 years approximately. During Saturn Dasha, the first subperiod belongs to Saturn Antardasha. It is followed by the second subperiod of Mercury Antardasha. The overall effect of Saturn Dasha, Mercury Antardasha will vary from person to person. But the individual effect of Saturn Dasha, Mercury Antardasha will depend on the overall placements in the birth chart. If you want to accurately predict the effect of Saturn Dasha, Mercury Antardasha individually, then you have to analyze the position, the lordship and other planetary connections of Saturn and Mercury in the birth chart as well as all divisional charts. However, some effects of Saturn Dasha, Mercury Antardasha will be common for all people. Those common effects are beautifully explained by sage Pulipani in his book called Pulipani Jodhidam. Now, I will read out the verse written by sage Pulipani about the effect of Saturn Dasha, Mercury Antardasha. தானென்ற காரிதிசை புதன் புத்தி கேளு தன்மையுள்ள மாதமது நாளெட்டாகும் நானென்ற நாளதுவும் 9 ஆகும் நன்றாக அதில் பலனை நவில கேளு மானென்ற மன்னரால் மகிழ்ச்சி உண்டாம் மாதர் முதல் பந்துக்களும் மகிழ்ச்சி உண்டாம் வானென்ற ஞானமுடன் யோக மார்க்கம் வளர்கின்ற கர்ப்ப முதல் தேக சத்தியாமே. Here, sage Pulipani Siddhar clearly states that the entire duration of Saturn Dasha, Mercury Antardasha is for 32 months and 9 days. In other words, the total duration of Saturn Dasha, Mercury Antardasha is for 2 years, 8 months and 9 days. According to sage Pulipani Siddhar, the person passing through Saturn Dasha, Mercury Antardasha will feel very happy because of the support he or she receives from the local ruler or the king. He also says that that person will find happiness through all the people surrounding him or her, starting from mother, family, friends and relatives. He also says that there will be opportunity to achieve Yoga Marga and Jnana Marga. In other words, Saturn Dasha, Mercury Antardasha will give new opportunities for spiritual enlightenment and to gain new knowledge. He also says that Saturn Dasha, Mercury Antardasha will give opportunities for achieving Deha Siddhi. Deha Siddhi refers to the process of rejuvenating the body. Finally, he says that Saturn Dasha Mercury Antardasha will be a good time for conceiving a child. Next, we will look at the verses written by sage Parashara Maharishi about the effects of Saturn Dasha Mercury Antardasha. But before that, I have a small request. If you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell button below. You can learn Vedic astrology and remedies easily by subscribing to the channel. Now we will look at the verses written by sage Parashara Maharishi about the effects of Saturn Dasha Mercury Antardasha. In his book called Brihat Parashara Hora Shastra, we will look at 8th, 9th, 10th and 11th shlokas from 57th chapter.
मंदस्यांतर्गते सौम्य त्रिकोणे केन्द्रैपिवा सम्मानं च यश कीर्तिं विद्यालाभं धनागमं स्वदेशे सुखमाप्नोति वाहनादिफलैर्युतं यज्ञादिकर्मः सिद्धिश्च राजयोगादि संभवम् देह सौख्यं हृदुत्साहं गृहे कल्याणः संभवम् सेतुस्नानः फलावाप्तिस्तीर्थ यात्रादि कर्मणा वाणिज्याद्धनः लाभः शच पुराणः श्रवणादिकम् अन्नदानः फलं चैव नित्यं मिष्ठान्नः भोजनम्.
Sage Parashara Maharishi says that if Mercury is in Kendra or Trikon from the ascendant, then the person who is passing through Saturn Dasha Mercury Antardasha will gain good reputation in the society. He or she will receive high respect from the people. That person will also gain wealth and also comfortable vehicles. There will be very good luck, there will be good health, and there will be happiness in the family. This person will also be more inclined towards performing religious duties. The person will be more interested in charity, and the person will also show more interest in listening to religious scriptures and ancient mythologies. The person will undertake pilgrimages to divine places. Now, let's look at 12th, 13th and 14th shlokas of 57th chapter.
षष्ठाष्टमव्यये सौम्ये नीचे वास्तन गहते सति रव्यारफणे संयुक्ते दायशाद्वा तथैव च नृपाभिषेकः मर्थाप्तिर्देशे ग्रामाधिपत्यता फलहमीदृशमादौ तु मध्यान्ते रोगः पीडनम् नष्टानि सर्वकार्याणि व्याकुलत्वं महद्भयम् द्वितीय सप्तमाधिशे देहबाधा भविष्यति.
Sage Parashara Maharishi says that if Mercury is in 6th house, 8th house or 12th house from the ascendant or from Saturn, or if it is associated with Sun, Mars and Rahu, then the person will attain a very high position in the government and will gain wealth in the beginning of the Antardasha. But in the middle and the final portions of the Antardasha, that person will experience fear of danger and will suffer from many diseases. That person will also fail in all ventures. In the last line, he says that if Mercury becomes a 2nd and 7th lord, then it will cause serious health problems. That's because 2nd and 7th houses are death-inflicting Maraka houses. Sage Parashara Maharishi has already mentioned that any malefic planet which is a lord of either 2nd house or 7th house can cause death. He also says that any benefic planet which is a lord of either 2nd house or 7th house can cause severe health problems. But at the same time, the 15th shloka of the 57th chapter talks about the remedy for the Saturn Dasha Mercury Antardasha.
तद्दोष परिहारार्थं विष्णु सहस्रकं जपेत् अन्नदानं प्रकुर्वीतः सर्वसम्पत्प्रदायकम्.
Sage Parashara Maharishi says that if you want to escape from the malefic effects of Saturn Dasha Mercury Antardasha, then you have to recite Vishnu Sahasra Namam regularly, and you have to donate grams in charity. Alternatively, you can donate foods which contain grams. If you like this video, please press the like button because that will give me a lot of encouragement. If you have any doubts or feedback, please comment below. If you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell button below. Only if you press that bell button, you will get the notifications for future videos.